Welcome back to Kanye's Kitchen. On the menu today, we got some red velvet waffles. Oh my goodness, just look at that. Alright, we're gonna have all our dry ingredients combined in the bowl right here. You see the ingredients listed right there, and then in the description box, so just go look below. Now we're gonna start working on our wet ingredients. You get 1 egg, but you only use the egg whites right now. So keep the yolk. We're gonna save the yolk for later. Just get the egg whites in there. We're gonna do something special to it, just watch. Now I got an electric mixer just because I just wanted to use it. It makes it so much better. But you can hand mix this too. I mean, you just gotta have the right wrist work, you know, if you got it like that. But the electric mixer is much easier. We're gonna get the egg whites nice and fluffy, just like that, like a little cloud. It's gonna make your waffles real nice and fluffy. Now add your 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then add that egg yolk that we saved from before. Next, add your vanilla extract and your cup of milk. Now you may not want to put the whole cup just yet. Just save it. Save a little bit just in case the mixture is too dry later. Next, you're gonna create a dome with the dry mix and put that wet mix right in the middle and mix it all up. Just like that. Look at that wrist work. Check that wrist work. Next, we're gonna add about a tablespoon of some red food coloring. You can add more till you get the desired color that you're looking for. All right, once your waffle maker is all ready and heated up, get about a cup of that mixture and pour it straight in. Make sure it's in nice and evenly. You know you want to spread it out nice and even so it cooks even. And voila, we got a red velvet waffle. Just look at that. Oh man, I can't wait to get into this one. Look at that. So I made the cream cheese icing myself, but I made it a little difficult way, so I got a nice, easier way to make it right in the description box. Just look below. You can't go wrong with breaking your waffle into triangles, but I had to get the circle edition as well. This look tastes beautiful either way.